Video today. I wanted to talk about Xela stock. Exela Technologies had a pretty decent day overall during the normal trading day. Down a little bit after hours, down 7.1% after hours. Currently sitting at 0.0689 at the time of this video, so around 6 cents at the time of this video. Overall in the trading day though, up 12 total, about 5% overall. And again, another day of some significant and very massive trading volume here for Xela stock. Yeah, we've covered Xela over the past few weeks now, or I guess over the past few days, really over the past, I would say 6 or 7 trading days here. So going to continue to do so. Xela, again, one of the top 3 most traded stocks on the market today, behind Mullen and Troika Media Group, TRKA stock, which had a completely brutal beating today overall. But nonetheless, Xela up 12% on the day. Just want to talk about a few things in regards to the stock. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. So Xela, why is Xela down 12% today? So this came out about 7 hours ago, and then the stock did actually run up after. But they're essentially going to ask shareholders of Xela stock to vote on a reverse stock split. This development signals to investors that the company is in trouble. Even if the proposal is approved, Xela stock is likely to be a 2023 loser, is the main point of this article here. So for the past week, Xela has been on a losing streak. Today's news has only made it worse. As of this writing, Xela stock is down more than 12% on the day, primed to fall even further, which I guess this essential article, I guess, was wrong about that. I mean, shout out to Samuel O'Brien. Shout out to Investor Place, by the way, as well. But it's up from there. Xela has plunged more than 90% over the past 6 months and is on the verge of falling 100% down for the year. Now, the company hasn't been able to garner any significant momentum, even after reporting a new source of funding. They talked about in the previous video. They got approved for that financing with B. Riley. But I guess that news hasn't really done anything specifically beneficial for the stock. Today, Exela made things worse and filed for a preliminary proxy statement ahead of May 4th shareholder meeting, which we'll take a look at here. So I guess there's a right here preliminary proxy statement, Exela Technologies. So they did in fact file this here. Which is they filed it ahead, obviously ahead of the shareholder meeting, which is going to be on May 4th. The company laid out multiple proposals, including a reverse stock split. The company's stock performances indicate that the market is not responding well to all of this news. Obviously, this is tough. What should investors be preparing for as a shareholder meeting approaches? Obviously, I mean, there is quite a bit of interest here, I guess, from retail investors, what we've been talking about for a while now. But May 4th is the date that I'm looking towards now. Obviously, that is quite a bit of time. We're looking at, close to 2 months away. But the company announced it is receiving funding from B. Riley, which I think a lot of people initially thought that was a bullish catalyst for Exela. But obviously, with this news about a potential stock split, I think a bearish kind of outlook has kind of been created now. You can see here, Investor Place writer says, one can only wonder what solutions Exela Technologies management will propose at the hearing. Don't be shocked if a reverse stock split is enacted at some point. This could provide a quick fix, but won't address Exela's fundamental problems. Now, for me as a shareholder of other stocks that have had a reverse stock split, I haven't been too positive on them. I don't think, like I said, quick fix, but at the end of the day, these business fundamentals for these companies will always come to light, and they will always, kind of be the end all be all for how well these companies do. So, Investor Place article writer says, expect a total wipeout of Xela stock. The prediction comes to be true as companies race to the bottom speeds up. Wall Street knows what the strong companies don't opt for reverse stock split. So again, keep that in mind. Potential reverse stock split coming here. It is up 12% overall in the day, around 5%. Still sitting at 6 cents, you guys. So I mean, very speculative type of play here regardless. Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.